LGBTQ is an umbrella term for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer. It includes people with sexual orientations and gender identities that differ from traditional heterosexual and cisgender models. As we all know, a lot of LGBTQ members experience gender discrimination and personal struggles to express their own selves, and also the lack of acceptance from our society.
What is the personal struggles and daily lives of LGBTQ? Imagine the pain of a young transgender person who is rejected by their family and friends, even bullied at school, simply for being who they are. This rejection can lead mental health issues, including depression and anxiety. Many LGBTQ individuals face similar experiences where their worth is diminished not because of their abilities or characters, but because of who they love and how they identify.
Workplace and opportunity barriers. And LGBTQ members face significant barriers in their workplace for expressing themselves. For example, an openly gay employee might be passed over for promotions or face hostile work environments. A transgender person may be denied a job due to their identity. These experiences not just rob individuals' dignity, but also suppress their economic stability and ability to contribute fully to society.
Healthcare disparities. LGBT individuals may avoid seeking healthcare out of fear of discrimination or receive inadequate care due to biases from healthcare providers. Imagine someone being denied medical treatment because their identity is seen as wrong or unusual.
What is legal and social inequality? In many places, LGBT individuals still face legal barriers to marriage, adoption, or even basic protection from violence. Imagine the pain of not being able to visit a hospitalized partner because the law doesn't recognize your relationship.
As a part ng LGBT, what are the challenges of discrimination that you are experiencing?
I experienced bullying or harassment. Kids that elementary school days in grade 6. 3 of my male classmates is bullying me. I'm a gay. Hindi ko
Thank you po.
This is about recognizing that LGBTQ plus individuals are humans with the same desires for love, acceptance, safety, and respect as anyone else. Discrimination strips them of the right to live authentically and fully. Humanizing this issue means seeing beyond the labels to the person who wants to be treated fairly, to love openly, and to contribute to the society without being fear of being discriminated or misunderstood. In short, fighting gender discrimination against LGBTQ plus individuals is not about special rights. It's about equal rights and basic human dignity.